Hi, this is Hamza Ali from Bizistech. Today we are going to discuss about premium enhanced brand content along with the difference with standard enhanced brand content. So let's start the topic. As you all know about the standard enhanced brand content, if you don't know, please click on the link shown the top of the screen to our detailed video on it. So let's move towards the main topic. So what is enhanced brand content? Enhanced brand content includes detailed images, high quality images, comparison charts, and additional product details. So let's move towards the premium enhanced brand content. What is premium enhanced brand content? Premium enhanced brand content, it also known as A++ content, which is an exclusive invite-only feature by the Amazon to the big players in the game to showcase their product most important features and benefits with the modern visual appealing structure. Amazon Premium A+ content is similar to EBC and A+ content, but it has more features like HD videos and more advanced product descriptions. Also, who as member of Amazon Launchpad have access to the Amazon Premium A+ content. There are total 16 interactive modules in Amazon Premium A+ content, out of which vendor can use only 7 modules per each product page. Let's move towards the features of the Premium Enhanced Brand content. The first features of the Premium Enhanced Brand content is the images with the hotspot. Premium EBC gives you the hover feature to showcase the detail of the features of the product. This makes it easy and enjoyable to learn more about the particular feature of interest. The second feature of the Premium Enhanced Brand content is slider image module, which gives you to add 5 images in the slider and also add links in the navigation bar and also the text in the images. So let's move towards the third feature of the Premium Enhanced Brand content, which is video module. So you can add HD videos related to the product, and you can add up to 1 minute video in the module. Let's move to the next feature of the Premium Enhanced Brand content, which is product FAQ modules, in which you can add question and answers in the enhanced brand content, so that customer cannot go to the question and answer section and ask and find the questions related to the product. They can find in the enhanced brand content. Let's move towards the next feature, which is comparison chart, which is more interactive and user friendly than the standard EBC, and the customer can see up to 2 products and compare with the 2 products of the item. Now let's move towards the difference between the standard EBC and with the premium EBC. The standard EBC is available for all the sellers who have registered on the brand registry of Amazon, but the premium EBC is only an invite feature by the Amazon. The standard EBC is free for all the sellers, but the premium EBC has a fees up to 250 to 500K. Maximum width of the standard EBC is 970 pixel, but in the premium EBC it is 1464 pixel. Now let's move towards the pros and cons of the premium in EBC. First, let's discuss about the pros of the premium EBC. The pros of the premium EBC is like modules. There are 16 interactive modules you can use in the product description page. The first advantage of the premium enhanced brand content is the modules. So you can use up to 16 interactive modules for your product detail page. The next advantage of the premium enhanced brand content is the maximum content width. You can use up to 1464 pixel width of the page than the standard EBC, which is 970 pixels. Can use up to 1464 pixels page width, that is greater than the standard EBC, which is 970 pixel. Another advantage of the premium enhanced brand content is you can increase the sales up to 15%. The biggest disadvantage of the premium enhanced brand content is that it is only invite only feature by the Amazon to the big players. Another disadvantage of the premium enhanced brand content is that it is not free. You have to pay for it from 250K to 500K. Another disadvantage of the premium enhanced brand content is that the character limit restrictions are more strict than the basic Amazon EBC, as the premium EBC is more visual based and help sellers give a dynamic view of the product. This is all from our side. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next video.